Music. Welcome to my Avalara AvaTax review. Check the description for helpful links. AvaTax is a cloud-based software that automates sales tax, simplifying compliance for businesses of all sizes. It's especially useful for companies selling across multiple states or countries. AvaTax calculates and reports sales tax in real time, ensuring you comply with constantly changing tax laws. Its core feature is automatic sales tax calculation during checkout. It considers current rates, local rules, and even exemptions, guaranteeing accurate tax for every customer, regardless of location. AvaTax seamlessly integrates with major platforms like Salesforce, Shopify, NetSuite, and QuickBooks, eliminating manual tax calculations. A standout feature is its global reach, supporting tax calculations for US states, Canada, and international regions, perfect for businesses with a global customer base. AvaTax provides real-time reports to track your sales tax liabilities in different jurisdictions, helping you stay compliant and avoid penalties. It also generates detailed tax returns and reports, simplifying filing. From small e-commerce stores to large enterprises, AvaTax offers a reliable, automated solution for complex tax situations. It saves you time, reduces costly errors, and keeps you compliant with current tax regulations. AvaTax is an excellent tool to streamline sales tax. Whether selling locally or globally, AvaTax simplifies compliance, improves accuracy, and saves you time. For more details, check the links below.